This video will provide an overview of how to use the Safesite platform to manage your safety program. The Safesite platform provides a paperless solution to help log information for safety actions, which include inspections, meetings, hazards, observations, equipment, and incidents. Administrators are able to create safety campaigns to delegate safety actions on a one-off or recurring basis. After safety actions are logged, administrators can see how your team performs throughout the week on the admin dashboard. Mobile users can also export and view reports via the Safesite mobile app. First, we will review how to create a campaign. Campaigns help improve accountability and safety engagement by allowing admins to specify meeting or inspection templates they want their personnel to complete as well. From the left menu, navigate to Safety HQ and Campaigns. Select New Campaign. Start by typing a campaign title. It should describe the initiative you want to assign for these actions. Next, schedule the frequency of the campaign. Daily campaigns run from Monday through Friday and exclude the weekends. They give mobile users 24 hours to complete actions each day. Weekly campaigns start on Monday and end on a Sunday, which give mobile users 7 days to complete the assigned safety actions. Next, select a start date, which can either be immediate or at a future date. Then select the end date as ongoing or a date when you want the campaign to stop. Select ongoing, and the campaign will rotate indefinitely. Next, you will assign safety actions. Click the Add Action button to assign specific safety actions such as inspections, meetings, observations, and hazards. You have the option to select specific inspection and meeting topics so that mobile users can easily access them while in the field. We highly recommend you create your templates or copy and edit them from Safesite's extensive library. If you expect your mobile users to work offline, you must have templates already assigned or listed under the My Org section for them to access. Next, assign personnel to the campaign. Please note that you can only invite personnel to a campaign if they have already been invited to the project. Finally, when you are done reviewing and setting up the campaign, click Set Live and you are all done. Let's review how administrators can create and manage inspection and meeting templates. You can upload your own safety forms, create from scratch, or choose from our library of over 500 templates and forms. The template tabs are located on the left menu under both Meetings and Inspections. Let's start by reviewing meeting templates. Click Meetings, then click Templates. The Templates menu option will open, and from here you can access the My Org tab where you can create, view, or edit templates specific to your organization. You can also select the Safesite Library tab where you can access all available templates with the ability to copy and edit them to make them your own. Let's go over how to create a meeting template. Select Create Template. Name the meeting by utilizing a custom name that will brand the template with the subject of the topic. Then select Add Meeting Topics. From here, you can enter the meeting topic details, which include the description, jurisdiction, industry, and language. Next, you will enter the meeting topics. You can type a discussion topic or description, add link text, and a URL optionally if you want to link to any reference documentation or videos in your meeting. After entering each topic, select Add. Keep in mind your safety team will read each topic out loud to the attendees and mark each topic as reviewed. To reorder topics, you can click and drag the icon next to the numbers. You can also delete topics. Once you have reviewed your template and are satisfied with it, select Save Changes to complete the newly created template, which will now be available under the My Org section. You can select the Actions button next to the templates in the My Org section, or the Safesite library to copy and edit the meeting templates as needed. Next, we will review inspection templates. From the left menu, select Inspections and Templates. You will see a similar layout as you did with the meeting templates, with the My Org and Safesite Library sections, as well as the Create Template button. Let's go over how to create an inspection template. First, click Create Template. Add a description, jurisdiction, industry, and language. Select Update. Now build your inspection by adding sections to segment topics. Each section can have multiple questions. After adding sections, click Add Question to add the topics for each section. Fill in your question details, including any answer types. The answer types include a check mark or X, safe or unsafe, pass or fail, yes or no, or text. You can also add additional actions based on a negative answer and require observations, hazards, photos, or comments. You may also add resources, videos, or references via URL links. Click Add after each question. Use the pencil icon to edit a given field. Once you are finished and satisfied with your inspection template, it will automatically be saved. Click Back to Library to access the inspection template under My Org. Let's take a look at how action cards populate for mobile users on the mobile app. When you assign a safety action to a member of your team, it will show up on their to-do list. Please note that even if action cards are not assigned, mobile users can select the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and complete any safety action, such as inspections, hazards, meetings, observations, or incidents whenever they need to. Next, we will walk through what an inspection looks like on the mobile app. You can see the inspection template or topic assigned to the mobile users on the action card. After selecting the action card, the mobile user will then be able to enter the location. If an organization administrator has enabled Safety Item Co-Creators, the Conducted By field can be used to add in other personnel assisting with the inspection. You can also add signatures here as well. Next, you can go through the inspection questions while answering them as needed. Observations, hazards, pictures, and comments can be added when answering the questions. After the questions are completed, the mobile user can then select the Complete Inspection button. Next, we will go through meetings. Select the Assign Conduct Meeting card and select the location. Next, you should discuss the different topics displayed on your device with your team. You can tap on the check mark or NA to record whether you covered the point or if the point wasn't covered or relevant. In these topics, you will be able to add additional responses such as adding an observation, a hazard, or leaving a comment. After going through all of the topics, tap the Finish and Add Attendees button once you're ready to conclude your meeting. You must add a photo to complete the meeting. A picture of a sign-in sheet or team photo can be added here to further document the people who attended the meeting. Finally, tap Finish to save the meeting details. Next, we will review how to log an observation. First, select the action card. Log the condition of the observation by selecting positive or negative. Positive feedback signifies a job well done and can help in-house administrators reward positive behaviors. The negative option signifies a potential risk. Next, tap on the camera icon to attach a photo of the observation. Select or add the location of the observation. You also have the option to select a team to attribute the observation to. Then, you must enter a description that is at least 2 words to share crucial details about the observation you're making. Finally, tap on the Record Observation button to save your observation. Next, we will review hazards. Tap on the Hazard Action card. Add details about the hazard such as a description, a picture, and the location. The geolocation of the hazard will also be recorded if you allow the Safesite app to access your location. Next, select the personnel that will be responsible for addressing the hazard from the drop-down menu. When a new hazard is assigned to a responsible team, the members of the team will be notified either by email or within the Safesite app. From the Risk Type drop-down menu, select the type of risk the hazard is creating. In addition to identifying the type of risk, You must also identify the probability this type of risk will occur. Also, add the risk consequence and appropriate details in the corrective action field. Safesite will provide a computed risk level and recommended action based upon the details provided in the hazard and risk assessment. The root cause analysis field is optional, but is useful in providing more details. If needed, you can add the activity that was being performed when the hazard occurred and the root cause of the issue. Select Record Hazard to log the issue and leave it open for resolution by the assigned team. If the hazard was addressed while you were conducting your assessment, select Resolve Hazard to close it out if no further action or details are needed. Hazard cards will show up as action cards for the responsible team and creator of the hazard. To resolve recorded hazards, select the action card under the Hazards tab. You must record a comment in order to resolve the hazard. In addition, you can add pictures to capture how the hazard was fixed. After adding this information, select Resolve Hazard to close it out. If you would like to review any of the safety actions that have been completed, or export your reports to a PDF, you can navigate to Safety HQ to do so. When exporting your reports, you can send them to anyone inside or outside of your organization as long as they have a valid email address. Administrators can also view reports, track, download, or share specific analytics across your organization from the Safesite admin dashboard. Next, we will take a look at how to review reports on the admin dashboard. You can review reports for hazards, incidents, inspections, observations, meetings, and equipment. First, select the safety action you'd like to review reports for, then select Reports. Select the date range in which the reports you would like to review were created. Select Columns to check or uncheck the columns you want to make visible. Select Filter to apply filters that will narrow down the reports to what you are looking for. To view individual reports, select the Actions menu and select View. You can also download PDF reports or XLS reports.